This is a trap. Because if for red and bird and if they come and press it, they will just like this. Okay. Okay, ayan, hakang That even for hunting, so I'm left alone now. We are going to the field for hunting. Very far, we'll be reaching here. Here, we can see it's foggy. Oh, there's no water. A little bit. Các bác ơi. Ê. Oh, this is such a beautiful place. And we can't see, but actually we came from this top here, very far place. Yeah, I cannot zoom it, I don't know why. Very far place. Let's come. I will. So, we are going for hunting. So it will take maybe 1 or 2 hours to reach there.
Oh, okay.
And look at this one. It is a huge stone. It seems that during our forefather time, they used to go to the field and sleep here. This is called stone hut, very huge. So even we have a big hole inside there. So instead of making tent or farmhouse, they used to sleep here at night. So yes, this is called stone hut, very huge, big. Yeah, see, even on the top of the stone, you can see the trees and all the things. Yeah, thank you. So we have already walked for 1 hour. This is called Wakching. We will have 2 separate rivers here. It's a resting place. So we'll be journeying again maybe another 1 more hour. So this is for girls. So we cannot click everything here, and this is for boys. Oh, this is petal leaf, tamul pata. Wow, it's so. Let me drink water, the pure natural water. Hay gì mà? Hay gì? Hay gì?
Ê, chừng gì? Tặng bốc nha. Tặng bốc nhiều ai nó cũng dữ. Thì lưng ngủ và nó bạc tay thì mà tao tản lòng mà thì in thì ngay đâu thì ngu.
Hey, someone's calling me. Oh, ini teacher. Hello. Các thằng vô. Are you going there? Áp chỗ cái bà đón tàu vậy. Cái nã tàn năng ra trái bao nhiêu? Are sao nàng thì bà áp chỗ nó. Tôi nó cả mày khơi. Tôi nàng tại chiếng bù. Sao hơn bây giờ tao bù. Xã mới biết sao in man phải xã mình ngay ngày. Tôi nàng tăng ra sĩ trái với áp chỗ tôi nã chứ mà nàng chung bà tàu ngô. Ê, tay ra như sao nuôi? Cái thằng đó như tao là nhá, như cái tay ra như cái một sự tự mày phải áp dụng tao đấy sự lâm chẳng anh tôi tao cái tôi tao phải xem vào tao anh chỉ áp dụng năng của tao rồi phải là one of my brothers. He told that I'm at home now, so he is calling me. He just called me up, but I'm already here in the field, so he also wants to come. Because during this season there would be no one in the village because almost everyone will be busy in the field, so only few of them will be left in the village. So yeah, I think he's feeling bored, that's why he want to come back, come to the field. Okay. Oh, this is risky. Risky. Yeah. Risky. Yeah. So dew drop here. So after working 1.5 hours, we have finally reached to my field. So we will see a lot of. Also we have here pineapples, and this is guava. Yes, and all these are lychee, mango. So also new plants. And that's I guess I don't know how to go. This orange, banana, And this betel nut. This our hut. We'll be sleeping here tonight. So since we reached just now, we'll be praying together. So yes, I will keep updating, keep tuning in. So how we do this? Just like this. So yes, this is a trap. Because if for rat and bird, and if they come and press there, they will just die like this. So after a while, we'll be going to the down there. So yes, we are going with the trap. Okay, we got a hole here. Maybe this is a rat or squirrel. I'm not very sure. So we'll keep one trap here for tonight. So yes. Let's go over here. Oh, we drop that away. Here. Harap apa lagi? Lama aja. Lama sih. Apa? Ay, ma-auto siya. Yo. So we are blocking. Sorry. Please. Harap sila. Lama yan. Apa? So we are going to block the way. So let's come from the side, and then when it press here, it will trap inside here. So we'll keep this here for today, and tomorrow or early in the morning we'll be checking this. I think it's okay. And tomorrow early in the morning we'll be checking this one. Press here, it will just trap inside, and by that time it will. Come here. So yes, that's perfect. So yes, during our childhood day, we used to carry 10 to 20s like this and go to jungle and give trap. And early in the morning, we will go and check. See, so this is the. So it will just place here. There's no other way only except this one. So tomorrow morning we'll be back again, and we'll put one trap here. So yes, I got pineapples here. Oh, again, I got another pineapples. So yes, this is huge, big. This. So this is squirrel tail here. They have killed two, I think. We used to keep them a lot. And I think this is also peacock tail, this one. But not really sure. A lot of birds feather here. Chincher, and this is good. It has a good taste. It's more like garlic, but not exactly garlic. This one is yam kuchu. It's different. Actually, it's long, not a normal kuchu. It's different. I'm sure you know this one. This is called tiger grass or broom grass. This is used as broom for cleaning. So yes, and that red ant. This is very tasty. We have 1, 2, and even up there we have again 1 more, 3. Wow, it's big. I don't know whether you guys eat or not, but we eat, and it's very tasty. One is gooseberry. This is petal leaf. Tamul pata. This for carrying this petal leaf. All this are petal leaf. Let's see. Petal leaf. Okay. Nothing sa. Okay. Look at all this. All this are petal leaf. Nhà chúng mình mà lì.
Tôi ăn như hồng. Tôi nghe một đoạn khúc mà. Hôm nay mình lấy vào đi bố. Nam quá ngồi mà. Khúc khảo này.
We have reached waterfall here. So there's a tea here. So we are going to burn now. So yes, we're getting ready to burn that. Burning now. Oh, it's falling down. Cái anh hắc không? Nó thằng ngô mà. Chụp.
Dạ y làm cái nào bộ
Nít
tật.
Anh ác cái gì?
Cái nào gọn.
Ta he. Thằng cái chấm lô cái bé nè. Ta he. Okay, now it's already 7:30 p.m. My dad and my brother they went for hunting, so I am left alone now. Yeah. See. So yes, just me and Pikachu. They went for hunting. I hope. I will just show you around how it's look like during night time. Look around. Very silent, very silent, very silent. Oh, there's banana here. And yes, but I have yes, I have picacha with me to accompany with me at this hour. Oh, hey, I can eat pineapple sauce if I want. See, it's very late. They are yet to be back. Late at night already. Yeah.